It hurts my feeling to talk about this. My self-esteem hit rock bottom. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about my biggest investment failure. In fact, it wasn't investing, it was almost like gambling. I got into stocks when I was in sophomore in college. I got a big sums of money from my father, thanks to my dad, about $40,000. He gave me this money to buy a car, and I was thinking, should I buy a car or should I make this money a little bit more bigger? So instead of buying a car, I wanted to invest this money and grow it and make it bigger. So I started to study stocks. In the beginning, I was a long-term investor, and this was the year 2013. And at the time, just everyone in my class, including my professor, was talking about how China would surpass the US economy, and the next big thing is China. So I decided to invest in Chinese stocks. I invested in BYD, which is the #1 electric car company in China. I also invested in Chinese solar panel company. I put that $40,000 in for about a year, and I was just watching what's happening, see whether this money was going up or down. Guess what happened? Nothing happened at all. Stock was just where I invested, and it was staying there for about a year. And I was young, I was ambitious and impatient. I also felt like I could be Warren Buffett when I started just investing. So I started to look at quick and fast money. That is when I found out about day trading. So for those of you who don't know what day trading is, it is buying and selling stocks within a few hours or even a few minutes or even a few seconds. You're just buying, sell, and look at the price go up and you buy and you sell a little bit higher. So that is a day trading, and I got addicted to day trading. One day I made money, and the other day I lost money. It gave me so much dopamine that I couldn't wait for the stock market to open. I even day traded during the class when the professor was talking about business or marketing. I didn't care about what I was doing. I was staying up all night to look at the market, the movement. Then I decided to become a professional day trader right after college. At that time, I wasn't making money at all, but I truly believe that if I continue trading with a small amount of money, learn how to trade, follow the trends, and if I was just being a little bit more disciplined, then I would be rich. I started trading all different things: gold, natural gas, oil, penny stocks, everything that I could put hands on. I used to wake up, look at the pre-market from 6:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and just trade up to 10, 20, or 30 times a day. This is what I did for almost 2 years right after graduating college. But I never made money. I almost lost all my money and wasted my time. My self-esteem hit rock bottom, and I was mentally exhausted. I was just broken. So if you're watching this and you are a day trader, if you're dreaming of gaining financial freedom, I don't want to say it is impossible, because my biggest failure doesn't mean it will be your biggest failure. But I want to say that the odds are against you. Yes, you can make money a little here and little there, and you might be hyped up that you may be able to even make more money. But in a long term, there's a high chance that you will lose a big chunk of money with just one single bad trade. I know you are scared to quit because you have put too much time and effort to be where you are, and you're probably scared to get a job. You feel like if you put just a little more time into studying and learning the skills of day trading or swing trading, then you would be able to make money. It seems like all the famous people on the internet talking about day trading are making so much money, and you want to be like them and make money wherever you want, whenever you want. But the secret is that those people on the internet never talk about how much money they lose. They only talk about when they're making money. So when they're making money, they upload the contents and it seems like they're making a lot of money. But in the end, if you look at the whole money process of how much money they made, they have a high chance that they lose money. There was a study conducted and a thesis written at the University of Berkeley. The title of the thesis is "Do Individual Day Traders Make Money?" I have written the link to the thesis so you can read it later. It's on the description. So according to the study, 80% of traders lose money. 80%. So if there are 100 traders, 80% of them for certain lose money, and less than 20% manage to earn profits after transaction costs. So it means that you may win a little bit of money, but after the transaction cost, it's just very little money that you profit. And very few people make less than the median income. So in the year of 2023, the median income was $42,000. So very few traders make far less than $42,000. And the rest of the traders are losing money. And just to clarify, this study was conducted a long time ago, but I believe that the probability is similar even now. So if you're trading and hoping to make money, you have a very little chance of making far less than $42,000. I know it is depressing and hard to believe, but it is the truth. On the other hand, if I had stayed with investing in BYD, #1 Chinese electric car company, in 2013. At the time, the price was around 21 in Chinese currency. Right now, in the year of 2024, December 15, it is 276 Chinese yuan. That is almost 1,076% in profit. If I had invested $40,000, right now it would have been $470,000. Today, I talked about my biggest investment failure. It hurts my feeling to talk about this and bring this up and be honest, but we can't change our past. We can only change the present and the future. Thank you for listening today, and in the next video, I will talk about one of my current investments and what's going on with my investing, where I am investing right now. So thanks for staying up, and thank you for listening, and I will see you guys soon.